Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find, guys, where the TPMS tire pressure monitor sensor fuses relays are located on Volkswagen Tiguan. This generation right here, guys, first generation. Now, please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll explain which fuse you need to check. But by the way, if you have TPMS light on, tire pressure monitor light is on, we have a special video that explains top things that cause that, how to fix it, how to program TPMS sensors, all that stuff will be on the channel. Check it out. Now, about the fuse, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the TPMS system, tire pressure monitor system, fuses, relays, most people assume, guys, that this fuse is actually located under the hood in the main engine fuse box that facing the engine. It's on the right side, on the driver's side, that looks like this one, but it's not, guys. That fuse is actually hidden. You wonder where? Well, actually, guys, it's inside the vehicle. On the left side, open the driver door. On the left side of the steering wheel, underneath it, kind of here, we remove the panel, we have a hidden fuse box, relays, even more hidden relays in the back. By the way, that's why I made one special video on our channel that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out. It's on our YouTube channel. Oh, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays now. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And guys, the fuse that we need to check for the TPMS tire pressure monitor system, sometimes they integrate them in different systems, so we cannot just remove that fuse. But most likely the fuse that we're looking at, you see that fuse box right here of mini fuses. Coming in the very bottom row, the fuse numbers will be listed under the fuses. That's fuse 17, 18, 19, 20. Fuse number 20 will be the one that we need to check right here, guys, most likely that one. Also consider checking your BCM, body control module, fuses and relays, but I think that fuse number 20 is the main fuse for the TPMS system that we need to check on that Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.